Welcome back to the channel. I'm Andrew. This is the Medellin Living Real Estate channel. We're back with another walkthrough video. This time we are in Ciudad del Rio in El Poblado. I'll go over the map location after this walkthrough. Right now we're going through the kitchen into the laundry area. Pretty big area for storage and to put the washer dryer. Big enough for the combo there if you wanted to. This is the living area. There's a little bar at the kitchen there with some bar stools, and you've got this balcony, which is pretty nice. You've got a view over to the west and some of the east, and obviously the other unit's tower is right in front of you. This unit, this complex, has 4 towers. It's got a bunch of amenities. We'll go over that here in a minute. Let's finish this walkthrough. This is the first half bath. This is a 3-bedroom, a 2.5 bath. This is the first bedroom here. And it is 95 square meters, which means that it's about 1,000 square feet. This is the second bedroom here. We're gonna go and look at the first full bathroom here, the one that those 2 bedrooms would share. And the master bedroom. The master bedroom is pretty big. You could easily fit a king-size bed in here. You could put AC units in here if you want to. There is the in-suite bathroom here, which is pretty big, easily useful for 2 people if they're living together and you've got a family, or if you're renting this out on Airbnb. That's the walk-in closet, large enough space. You could do monthly rentals in this one, not daily rentals, so minimum of 30 days. And the owner is looking to sell it for 910 million Colombian pesos, which comes out to be about 234,000 US dollars. Price is negotiable. Right now he's got a cousin living in there. He wants to get rid of it because he's moving. Let's take a look at the location. This apartment complex has 4 towers. The last tower was turned into the owners this last year. The one that we're selling was turned in 2023, I believe. And the unit itself is pretty big. It's got a bunch of stuff in it. It's kind of like resort style living. As you can see, it's got big corridors, big hallways. The lobby is beautiful. A lot of greenery. I love how they integrated all of the plants. It's got a gym. It's got a game room for teenagers and kids. It's got an indoor pool. It's got a play area for babies and with activities for them. A yoga room and a cycling room. A squash court. And a co-working space. And a communal space to throw parties, etc. It's a beautiful place to live. If you did want to rent it out, you could easily get $2,000, $2,500, depending on how you decorate it or any upgrades that you make to it. I have seen some going for $3,000 a month there, but most of the people that live in that building, in that neighborhood, and the surrounding neighborhoods are locals. They are people that work near there. This is near downtown. It's also near the Golden Mile, which is in El Poblado. So these are people that work at offices, hospitals, lawyers, etc. These are high-level jobs. So if you want to live in a neighborhood that is basically a little city within the city and immerse yourself in local culture, having to speak Spanish pretty much every single day in a flat area where you can walk everywhere, this apartment might be for you. So if you're ready to buy in Medellin, all you got to do is click the link in the description below, fill out the form. I'll add you to WhatsApp and we'll get to work. We'll see you guys in the next video.